What is good, you guys? Hlu Lanie, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Hlu Lanie and you are about to subscribe. Please do subscribe, click the notification bell, and also click the subscribe button, and also do hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, today's video is a hairstyle tutorial. I'm back again with another one, and today's hairstyle is this Mihlali two braided bun hairstyle inspired by the one and only Mihlali. So yeah, if you want to see how I got to do these, then please do stay tuned. Enjoy. Okay, so you already know what it is. It's a voiceover. So I start off by wetting my hair, and then I comb it out, and yeah, I've already moisturized my hair, so I won't be showing that part, but I did moisturize it the night before I did this hairstyle. And yes, my hair is like a bit damaged, but yeah, never mind that, just focus on the hairstyle. Okay, so this is the wax that I'm using, guys. It was my first time trying out this wax gel, but it's not really gel, it's just wax, and it doesn't hold. That's why I didn't even last with this hairstyle. It doesn't hold, guys. I don't know what you can use it for. I wouldn't recommend it, but yeah, it is what it is. I used it because I'm here to experiment. I'm here to try things out for you. So yeah, I just did my two buns over there with my natural hair, and then I am going to be using the darling hairpiece in this video. Yeah, so I take my darling hairpiece and I don't cut it. Yeah, I didn't cut it. I just take it like that, and then I start fluffing it out so that the ends are like uneven. Yeah, so that the ends do not unravel or whatever. Yeah. And then I just attach the hairpiece to my one bun, guys. I'll not explain, just watch, okay?
There's pink black girls in my area code, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids got mini afros, thick lips got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna put us in the media, bro, wanna fat booty like Kardashians, wanna fat booty like my auntie got a yo, we like the blood clot, tell her reload it, I've got the camera, my girls are posing, I need some backup, then my ones are rolling, grown women think so I'm never at risk, mind my own business, I'm never in mess, who am I ain't big, get a slice of the cake, want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes, keep it real from the jump.
Okay, and then when I got to almost the end, I did take some hairpiece just to add, because I wanted this to be long. Yeah, so I added more hairpiece, and then I continued braiding just like that. If you do not know how to braid, I'm so sorry, I cannot help you. Please do watch some braiding tutorial videos. Yeah, but for this video, I cannot help you, Shem Askis.
You get a little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths. Do you, they don't care. Do you, they don't care. Get your ass out of the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, be it Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad. I like it, the growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. We pay the price. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. I think I need some time.
to cover that knot over there, I used the piece that I put aside when I was braiding, and as I wrap around, I use the got to be glued so that it stays in place.
I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay.
And then, just in case you still want to watch some more, I am just repeating the very same steps on the other bun.
I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. And you feel this thing, black girls, not area codes. These black girls we see in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we got a steaming in team. Look at your crown, natural, relax to the Jericho. One side soft and sheen. Where black girl magic is sometimes blue. My broke a hairband or two. Raise my voice, you're gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth and now you say that I'm hood. You did 16, you say it's my destiny. Driving range if you come up to no good. Give us a break and let us breathe, man. Give us a chance that is a chief. And I know that my hair looks a bit different today. So don't touch my
Like a new hair, who this? Old black woman, lucky and a van to twist. Look, mind over matter, I can handle this. We're fine, take a second of awards in Red Sea. I think that I care too much, but all this cover the air. 2 cups, I've got nothing to show, but you love, check my flaws and all my flaws. I was black back when it wasn't even in style, that's cool. I like it. The growth, the lies, the pain, the fight, the love, we fight, we hurt, we cry, we pay the price, you'll be.
I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. Think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay.
While you're at it, do not forget to drink your water.
Did you plan for the next whole week? Been so long for a nigga so cheap, and your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a baby, now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the coupe at 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest.
And then I took my rubber band and just secured the ends.
Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag.
Mihlali used pins, so I didn't find any pins in my nearest beauty supplier stores, so I just used these hair accessories that I had. I don't even know what they're called, but yo, as you can see, some were even falling off. Yeah, I just had a hard time putting these on, but at the end I did manage, so that's all that matters. But yeah, these things really gave me a hard time, yo. At some point I even wanted to just give up and end this video, but I was like, you know what, let me just continue. And also my hairline is not at its best. Please never mind that, just focus on the hairstyle. Bye.
You are everything that I see. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You left a mark on me. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. Cause you will go again, and you know it. You act so different from me. Cause you will go again, and you know it. baby ngiyahlala uyangilahla uyangibamba Senga konya ngaki Senga konya ngaki Senga konya ngaki Senga konya ngaki Let's take it high Senga konya ngaki Senga konya ngaki Senga konya ngaki
So guys, we reached the end of this video. If you did enjoy, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.